Hello everyone, welcome to Data Scientist Aspirants. So here I would like to answer why this channel is exist. Actually there is why one more channel I have created, because there is a overwhelming content. So in YouTube and in Google, overwhelming content. Because why? Because number of videos are so huge, so many are the number of videos. Like we have 500 videos, some people creating 600 up to 1000 also. So here why to our channel is required, because when we try to reduce into 100 or 150 instead of up to 1000 videos, that is one thing. Then what is another problem with normally? So with the content, video duration is more. Like sometimes we can see 1.5 hour video, then we can think of how can we make it 1 hour, and sometimes it is like 20 minutes video. How can we make it to 10 minutes? Something like that. Okay, so like see, for example, content may take 100% means it may take 1 year to learn, but in the real time, if we see like to learn data science, 3 to 4 months may be enough. Why means, so only 30 to 40% maybe real time will be using, but so that is the reason we can able to learn data science in 3 to 4 months instead of 1 year. Okay, so that is the thing. Then the next question to answer is why to watch your videos, means why do you want to watch my videos? So I can say that, so I am a lead data scientist and I have 16 plus years of experience in IT, and I have 6 plus years into data science. Okay, like I have worked along with India, I have worked in Canada, Malaysia, Sweden, China, Dubai. Currently I'm in Dubai. And about my background, like diploma, BTech, MTech in computer science, and I have a gold medal in curriculum. Like I have done my MTech from JNU New Delhi, directly from campus, that is tier 1 college. And triple IITB I have done 1 year post diploma. Ours is a senior most batch. Now next question comes. So why do I am teaching here? Because it is like a fashion. I have more than 10 plus years in teaching actually. Because that will give me more satisfaction, I can say. For example, like if I get 2 subscribers, then I will feel it is much better than 3 lakhs money. Like 2 lakhs is like greater than 2 lakhs, which means that, see, this is like a fashion. That's why I'm teaching. It is not for money. So you understand. Okay. So what do you have to do? To become data scientist, just subscribe to the channel and press bell button so that new video will be notified. So how do you contact us? So you can just mail us, which is provided in description of this video, and you can comment. Okay, so we will see you in next upcoming videos. So all the best, and I would like to see all my subscribers as future data scientists. So even viewers also, I will say all the best. Subscribe, and one day I want to see you all like people as a data scientist with no cost. All the best, everyone.